Hi friends, so this is the list of scientific instruments. Okay, so we discuss from first question. An instrument used in aircraft for measuring altitudes is called, so it's an altimeter. The second question, an instrument used to measure the strength of an electric current. Instrument to measure strength of an electric current, so it's a ammeter. Third question, an instrument to measure the speed, direction and pressure of the wind is called anemometer. Okay, the speed, direction and pressure of the wind is called, that means that instrument is called anemometer. An instrument, fourth question, an instrument used to measure difference in hearing is called audiometer. The fifth question, an instrument to measure atmospheric pressure and condition. An instrument to measure atmospheric pressure and condition is called barometer. Sixth question, an instrument used to measure potential difference between 2 points is called voltmeter. Seventh question, an optical instrument used for magnified view of a distant object is called binoculars. Eighth question, an instrument used to measure the diameter of wire, tube or a rod is called calipers. An instrument used to measure quantities of heat is called calorimeter. The measure quantities of heat. Okay. Then question 10th, an apparatus used for charging air with petrol vapors in an internal combustion engine. Okay, charging air with petrol vapors in an internal combustion engine is called carburetor. An instrument used for measuring the temperature of human body is called, I think it's a very simple answer, that instrument is a thermometer. Then 12th question, a device which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. I think everybody knows that answer is the number question 13. An instrument used for measuring electrical potential difference is called electrometer. Okay, so there is don't confuse, the potential difference is measured is nothing but the what, the potential difference, so that voltmeter. Okay, voltage potential difference, and here electrical potential, so it's a electrometer. Then and 14th question, an instrument used for detecting the presence of electric charge is called electroscope. So to detect the presence of electric charges in that material, so it's a electroscope. Then question 15th, an electromechanical instrument used for detecting and indicating an electric current. Okay, this is an instrument which is detecting and indicating an electric current, so it's a galvanometer. Question 16th, an instrument used for measuring a depth of ocean. That instrument is a fathometer. Then 17th, an instrument used for relative density of liquid is called hydrometer. An instrument used for relative density of milk is called the number question 20, an apparatus used in submarines for viewing object lying above the sea eye level of the observer is called periscope. An instrument used for comparing the luminous intensity of two sources of light is called photometer. An instrument used to measure high temperature is called pyrometer. Okay, so measure the high temperature. Human body temperature is measured by the thermometer, and for the small scale temperature in any metal, so they thermocouple. Okay, and for the high temperature is a pyrometer. Question 23. An instrument used to measure rainfall is called rain gauge. 24 question. An instrument used for recording the intensity and origin earthquake shock is called seismograph. Okay. An instrument used for measuring angular distance between two objects. The question number is 26. An instrument used for measuring speed of the vehicle, so is the speedometer. An apparatus used for converting high voltage to low and vice versa. Okay, instrument for converting high voltage to low or vice versa, so is a transformer. So I think you know that when the supply is high, that time to supply as many station with low voltage, so that time is converted current from step up to step down, and when required high voltage, that time step down to step up. So primary and secondary coil. So I think in 11th and 12th in physics we studied that point. Then question number 28. An instrument that continuously records a parameter reading of atmospheric pressure, so it's a barograph. An instrument to measure infrared or heat radiation, so it's a bolometer. Question number 30. An instrument used for measuring growth in plant, so it's a crescograph. 31st question. An instrument used for tracing movement of heart, so it's a cardiograph. The question number 34. A glass tube for measuring volumes changes in the chemical reaction between gases, so is measured by the iodometer. The question 35. A machine for reproducing recorded sound, so that gramophone. Okay, reproducing recorded sound. The question 36. An instrument used to measure the moisture content or humidity, so it's a hygrometer. A microphone designed to use underwater for recording or listening to underwater sound, so that hydrophone. A device used to measure atmospheric pressure, so it's a manometer. Okay. A device which converts sound waves into electrical signal, so that microphone. Sound waves is converted into is a microphone.